Hi friends, in this video we discuss about determinants. So you have already studied matrix, that is matrix of order m cross n. So this determinant is nothing but a type of matrix whose a type of matrix where it is nothing but a square matrix. So every matrix is not a determinant, but determinant is nothing but a square matrix. So we define, suppose let A equal to, that is the matrix A1, B1, A2, B2, be a square matrix of order 2 by 2 over R. Then we define that is the determinant of A equal to, or delta equal to, here the cross multiplication we have to do, that is A1 B2 minus A2 B1, and call it determinant of A, and we write it as determinant of A, like this symbol, that is determinant of A, or det A is equal to, that is A1 B1 A2 B2, and this symbol it is here to do in write in two lines, in between two lines. This is called as determinant of A, and we write it as determinant of A, not mod of A or norm of A. For example, if suppose if A equal to the matrix 5 minus 3 2 4, then determinant of A is, that is determinant of 5 minus 3 2 4. Now the cross multiplication is, if 5 to 4, this is cross multiplication, like this multiplication, that is 5 into 4 minus 2 into this minus 3, that is 5 4 minus the minus 3 into 2, or 2 into minus 3, that is equal to 5 4s are 20, minus 1 minus 1 plus 6 equal to 26. Or one more example, suppose that is determinant of cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then this is cos alpha into cos alpha minus sin alpha into sin alpha, that is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So by trigonometrical unity, that is equal to 1. Or one more example, that is for evaluate determinant of 1x minus x2. So here again cross multiplication, that is 1 into 2 minus of x into minus x, that is 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 minus 1 plus x square equal to x square plus 2, hence the solution. So this is the determinant of order 2 by 2. Similarly, we can define the determinant of order 3 as a function from the set of all 3 cross 3 matrices over R by R. Let A equal to, that is determinant of A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 and A3 B3 C3. Then determinant of A is, the expansion is, we have to expand this one by, that is along row or column. So here along row we expand, that is a minor of A we can write, that is A1 into determinant of B2 C2 B3 C3, means by taking this A1 we have to neglect this row and this column. Here we left this row and this column, remaining are B2 C2 B3 C3, and here always remember this first element should be, this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. And here if along the column we expand, so this is positive, this is negative, and this is positive. So here A1 into remaining there B2 C2 B3 C3 minus B1 into determinant of A2 C2 A3 C3. B1 we neglect this row and column, we get, that is A2 C2 A3 C3 plus C1 into, this C1 means neglect this row and column, so we get remaining elements are A2 B2 A3 B3. So that is equal to A1. So expansion of determinant is, that is B2 C3 cross multiplication, B2 C3 minus B3 C2 minus B1 into A2 C3 minus A3 C2 plus C1 into A2 B3 minus A3 B2. So this is the definition of determinant of order 3. Now for example, we solve an example. If A equal to the matrix 4 2 1 2 3 4 1 5 7, then find determinant of A. So here determinant of A equal to, that is determinant of 4 2 1 2 3 4 1 5 7. So along row, that is first row we expand. So here first element should be positive, that is first row first column. So this sign should be positive. That is 4 into determinant of, we neglect this row and column, so remaining elements are 3 4 5 7. Middle sign, that is second one is minus 2. Why we write this is minus 2? Because that is this is elements lies in first row and second column, so the power should be I plus j, that is minus into plus, that becomes minus. Determinant of 2 4 1 7 plus 1 into remaining elements are 2 3 1 5. So that is expansion is, that is 4 into bracket 3 7s are 21 minus 5 4s are 20 minus 2 into bracket 2 4s are 2 7s are 14 minus 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 into bracket 5 2s are 10 minus 1 into 3 is 3. So that is equal to 4 21 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 2 into bracket 14 minus 4 is 7, 7 2s are 20, sorry 10 2s are minus 20 plus 10 minus 3 is 7 into 1 is 7. So this is solution should be minus 9. So similarly the next example, the evaluate determinant of 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0. So here this let us consider like determinant of A is equal to 1 2 4 minus 1 3 0 4 1 0. Now we can expand this one along first row, that is expand this is along first row or along first column also. If we expand this is first column, so we get only 4 into remaining this value. So just simply we can now we are expanding here along the first row. So let us take that is equal to 1 into determinant of remaining element, that is neglected elements first row and first column, so remaining are 3 0 1 0 minus middle sign should be positive, this is first element is positive, this is negative and this is positive. So minus 2 determinant of minus 1 0 4 0 plus 4 into determinant of, that is 4 means this neglect this row and this column, this row and this column, so minus 1 3 4 1. So that is equal to 1 into bracket 3 into 0 0 minus 0 minus 2 into bracket 0 minus 0 plus 4 into bracket minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 minus 4 3s are 12. So that is equal to first two elements should be 0, that is 0 minus minus 1 into minus 12 is minus 13, 13 4s are 52, that is minus 52. So this is equal to minus 52, hence the solution. Similar to the next example, evaluate a determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Solution, let determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. So that is equal to solution, let determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 2 0 2 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Now we expand this determinant, that is equal to 2 into determinant of 2 minus 1 minus 5 0. Now minus middle sign is minus of element is minus 1 into determinant of 0 minus 1 3 0, and this is this sign positive but the element is minus 2, that is minus 2 determinant of 0 to 3 minus 5. So that is equal to the expansion is, that is 2 into bracket 2 into 0 is 0 minus of minus 1 into minus 5 plus this is minus into minus become plus 1 into bracket 0 into 0 0 minus minus 1 3 minus 2 into bracket 0 into minus 5 0 minus 3 2s are 6. So that is equal to into bracket this 3 times minus means that again minus 5 plus 1 into bracket minus into minus become plus, that is 3 minus 2 into bracket minus 6. So 2 into 5 is minus 10 plus 3 plus 12. So plus 3 plus 12 is 15 minus 10 is 5, hence the solution. Similarly, the next example, it is evaluate determinant of 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. So previously I told we can expand this determinant either by row or by column. So here we expand this is by second row now. Suppose it is from second row means we take the element second row, that is neglecting this second row and corresponding that is elements. For example, here 0 we take, so we expanded the neglected is first column and second row. So for it is this is equal to, so now sign should be here, this is first element is positive, so this is negative and this is positive. So here it is expanding second row, so this is minus of 0 into determinant of, we neglect this second row second row and first column. So elements are minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 0, that is neglecting this one, this is 1 and this one. So there is minus 1 remaining, minus 1 minus 2 minus 5 0, and this should be positive. If this is negative means this is positive, plus 0 into determinant of, so elements are, this is neglect now here. So here we neglect, it is second row and second column. So remaining elements are 3 minus 2 3 0. So next one is, this sign should be negative now, minus of minus 1. So here we neglect, this is second row and third column. So remaining elements are 3 minus 1 3 minus 5. So therefore 0 into this determinant should be 0. So plus this is 0 into this should be 0. So here minus 1 minus plus 1 into bracket 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 minus of minus 3. So that is equal to 1 into bracket minus 15 plus 3, that is equal to minus 12. So similarly you can try for these two examples, that is evaluate determinant of 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. Either you can expand by row or column, so you get the first answers should be 46 and second one is 0 1 2 minus 1 0 3 minus 2 3 0. You get the solution as 0. You have to try yourself, and here end of this definition examples. So thank you.